This meditation is to reconnect you with your higher self. Sit in a comfortable chair. Close your eyes and feel how the air goes into your nose slowly and exhale through your mouth slowly. Inhale with your nose and exhale with your mouth slowly. Now inhale again with your nose and hold the air counting until 3. Exhale slowly counting until 10. You are feeling relaxed. Now you feel that your head is relaxed. Your head is relaxed. Your head is relaxed. Your neck is relaxed. Your neck is relaxed. Your neck is relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your arms are relaxed. Your arms are relaxed. Your arms are relaxed. Your hands are relaxed. Your hands are relaxed. Your hands are relaxed. Your chest is relaxed. Your chest is relaxed. Your chest is relaxed. Your stomach is relaxed. Your stomach is relaxed. Your stomach is relaxed. Your hips are relaxed. Your hips are relaxed. Your hips are relaxed. Your legs are relaxed. Your legs are relaxed. Your legs are relaxed. Your feet are relaxed. Your feet are relaxed. Your feet are relaxed. You are completely relaxed. Now you feel how all the negativity comes down from your head, through your body, your legs, your feet, right into the center of the earth. You feel at peace. All the negativity, the depression, the stress, the worries of the day are buried into the center of the earth. And you are feeling completely relaxed. All the heaviness is out of your body and you feel light like a feather. Now you lift your eyes and you can see a beautiful valley. The grass is a wonderful pure green. The flowers are blossom with beautiful colors. The trees are very huge and green. The mountains without snow. At your left side, you can see a river with a wonderful blue color. You walk to the river and you found under a tree a bench. You sit down in that bench and you can feel the breeze, nice and soft. You can hear the birds at the top of the mountain and at the top of the trees. The beautiful singing, and you continue to be completely relaxed. You lift your eyes and you can see the blue sky. Then you feel that you are not alone. You watch to your right side and there is a very white figure looking at you. He is calling you by your name. You realize that you know that person. It is your guardian angel. He extends his hands to you. You give your hands to him. He invites you to go for a walk with him. You walk in silence and in peace. In front of you, you can see a beautiful house, and there is a big door that your angel invites you to open. You are a little bit scared, but he shows you your past. You walk a very long path, and in that pathway you can see all your past life. Sometimes you are happy and smiling. Sometimes you were crying and in sorrow. But it is okay. From those bad experiences, you learn who you really are. And now you know what you don't want in your life anymore. Your angel show you the door to be open. Now you open that door and you can see the beautiful sunshine and feel the warmth for your new future that is nice, peaceful and bright. You receive all that into your heart. You stay there for a few minutes. Your angel is telling you that it is time to come back. You both walk back again to the bench. You sit down and you are in peace. You know now that when you come back, you are a very different person, because you know that from now on, that is the place that you have to go every time that you need find peace, harmony, order, and happiness into your life. Now you start moving your arms, hands, legs, and feet in your chair. And a count of 3, you open your eyes slowly. 1, 2, 3.